Hey gang, this is Ernie with Ocala Off-Road Recovery, LLC. Remember, we won't leave you stuck. Another beautiful day in Ocala. We're heading out to some kind of knuckle boom truck with a box on it. He's trying to deliver and kind of got stuck in the, I guess, some freshly cleared property. We're going to go out here and see what we can do. Stay tuned. I'm out.
Yeshua, your name has power. The darkness fades away with your light. You are the Lamb who conquered death. You reign forever beside the Father. In glory you will reign. We worship you, Yeshua, Son of God, seated at the side of the Father you are. May everyone know of your great love. Yeshua, Yeshua, our Redeemer. In the storm, your voice brings peace. In the desert, you are the source of living water. The church is waiting for you to return. Yeshua, Yeshua, holy, holy are you. Your words are always faithful and true. We worship you, Yeshua, Son of God, seated at the side of the Father you are. May everyone know of your great love. Yeshua, Yeshua, our Redeemer. We worship you, Yeshua, Son of God, seated at the side of the Father you are. May everyone know of your great love. Yeshua, Yeshua, our Redeemer. Yeshua, Yeshua, our redemption. To you we give all adoration. Oh, Yeshua.
Hey gang, it's Ernie with Ocala Off-Road Recovery. Well, we got him out. Really wasn't much of a big deal. Got him turned around. He got the cube off, or Connex, or whatever that thing was. Then he was getting turned around to get out of there, and he got stuck again. I didn't get any video of that. We got him back out and got him on the road. Just remember, Ocala Off-Road Recovery, LLC. We won't leave you stuck. If you need our services, 352-427-1970.